There's Alan with his 3D printed Focke-Wulf 190, and Al's going to take it for his maiden. Very nice too. Nice little aeroplane.
Yeah, that's what I thought slightly.
Oh, flies and stuff. Can you give me a load of down trim?
Do you want the flaps on?
No, if you leave the wheels where they are, can just give me a load of down elevator trim. Holding about. Okay, let's try that.
Gear up or down?
Just leave it. No, just
Okay.
get in here. Yeah, all right now.
Yeah, a shame it's a dull sky, isn't it?
More down elevator in.
Put the wheels up.
Did you?
That's fine now.
Yeah, it's still down.
Wrong switch. Yeah, give me the gear then. Right, thank you. Right.
And they actually worked.
Yeah.
Get them down again.
Well, it's flying nicely now. I think it was just that trim. Yeah, it looks nice.
It'd take you long to print that out then, Alan?
I can't remember, probably about 30 odd hours.
Oh yeah. Quicker than building it yourself, isn't it?
For me, yeah.
Sorry, Al.
Right. Decided to
Yeah. It's not too bouncy in this wind, is it? It's quite a gusty wind.
11, roll.
Oh,
Alright, okay.
might get the gear down.
I'll tell you what,
You tell me when.
I'd just like to try something. I'll just roll for you. Try a roll. There we go. Roll that. Oh, that's alright.
Just get the battery forward a bit next time on.
Yeah, if I come round the wind, just do a circle. You can give me the gear.
Both of them are down.
We have 2 gear. See, it might be a little bit tippy on the round. Let's see.
Oh, well done, Al.
Beautiful.
That was great. That was.
Not sure I'll tax it.
No.
I
No,
won't tax it.
It is
Right, so
Alan's
There
3D
we go.
printed
Lovely. Thank you all.
Focke-Wulf 190.
yeah, it's nice.
There it is, in all its glory.
Did you have up trim or down? Or down trim?
I wonder. Well, it was slightly up. So I trimmed it now.
Nice 3D printed aeroplane. It flew and it landed well as well. That's very nice, Alan.
Okay, right.